Good morning, children. So, in this session, we are going to see a lesson from natural science. So, the topic is organization of tissues. Organization of tissues. Part 5. This is the last session of organization of tissues. We are going to see about the meiotic cell division. In the previous PowerPoint, we have studied about the mitotic cell division. Now, meiotic cell division. Meiosis. The term was coined by Farmer in year 1905. It's a kind of cell division which was occur in the sex cells alone. So the male sex organ and in the female sex organ, this type of cell division was carried on. It is also called as reduction division because during this cell division, the chromosome number is reduced to haploid. Haploid means single set. So all the cell contain diploid, double set of chromosome. During this reaction, the number of the chromosome will be reduced, so that is called haploid. So meiosis produce 4 daughter cells from a parent cell. So we will get a haploid cell. So there are 2 type of meiotic cell division. First one is heterotypic and the second one is homotypic cell division. So 2 times was carried by this cell division, meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. Heterotypic division. It consists of 5 stages: prophase 1, metaphase 1, anaphase 1, telophase 1, cytokinesis 1. So prophase 1. It takes a longer duration divided into 5 different stages: leptotin, zygotin, pachytin, diplotin and diakinesis. So leptotin, zygotin, pachytin, diplotin and diakinesis. So this is the type of meiosis 1, 2n equal to 4. So at the beginning stage of the meiosis 1, spindle formation starts in the cytoplasm and homologous pairs of chromosomes started to appear. So the first stage of prophase 1, leptotin. Here the chromosome becomes uncoiled and become long thread-like structure. They form a bucket stage. அதாவது group thread மாதிரி இருக்கும். So that is bucket. Zygotin. The 2 homologous chromosomes approach each other and begin to pair. So 2 homologous chromosomes join together and begin to pair. Pairing of homologous chromosome is called as synapsis. So rendu chromosome same type of full rendu chromosome pair இருக்கும். அதுக்கு பேர் தான் synapsis. This happened during the stage of zygotin. Meiosis. The term was coined by Farmer in year 1905. It's a kind of cell division which was occur in the sex cells alone. So the male sex organ and in the female sex organ, this type of cell division was carried on. It is also called as reduction division because during this cell division, the chromosome number is reduced to haploid. Haploid means single set. So all the cell contain diploid, double set of chromosome. During this reaction, the number of the chromosome will be reduced. So during this stage, chromosomes are visible. So the pair chromosomes are called bivalent. Each bivalent now contains 4 chromatids because they cross with one another. So both the sides, the arms are exchanged. So like a X type. So that is called pachytin. That is called bivalent. Now it's look like a 4. And they remain attached together at one X-shaped arrangement known as chiasmata. ஒன்னு cross பண்ணி X-shaped arrangement இருக்குல அதுக்கு பேர் chiasmata. Chromatids break at these points and the broken segments may be interchanged. So இப்போ எங்க வந்து X crossing over ஆயிருக்கோ அந்த பாயிண்ட் என்ன பண்ணுது broken and it may be interchanged. broken ஆகி ஒரு குரோமோசோம்ல உள்ளது அடுத்ததுக்கும் அடுத்த குரோமோசோம்ல உள்ளது இன்னொன்னுக்கும் போகும். So the genetic recombination takes place. Diplotin. Diplotin, homologous chromosomes repel each other and separate. So the chiasma begin to move along the length of the chromosome from the centromere towards the end, resulting in terminalization. So இங்க பாருங்க crossing over and ஒரு குரோமோசோமும் இன்னொரு குரோமோசோமும் certain பாயிண்ட்ல வந்து என்ன செய்திருக்கு கிராஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கு இல்லையா. ஸோ அந்த எங்க கிராஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கோ லைக் எக்ஸ் ஷேப். ஸோ எங்கே கிராஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கோ எங்கே டச் ஆகுதோ அந்த பாயிண்ட்டுக்கு பேர் கயாஸ்மா. அந்த கயாஸ்மாவில் வந்து கரெக்டாக ஸ்ப்ளிட் ஆகி ஆர்ம்ஸ் ஆஃப் த குரோமோசோம் வந்து இன்டர்சேஞ்ச் ஆகும். ஸோ தட் இஸ் கால்டு டிப்ளோட்டின். Dikinesis. Paired chromosomes are shortened now and thickened. Nuclear membrane, nucleolus began to disappear. So nuclear membrane, nucleolus அது எல்லாமே disappear ஆக ஆரம்பிச்சிடும். Good morning, children. So, in this session, we are going to see anaphase 1. Now, undivided centromere move towards the opposite poles of the cell. This stage of the chromosome is called dyad. So, அங்கே மைட்டாசிஸ் செல் டிவிஷன் நடக்கிற மாதிரி அந்த இன்டர்சேஞ்ச்டு ஆர்ம்ஸ் ஆஃப் த குரோமோசோம் ஓட அப்படியே என்ன செய்யுது two daughter cells are split ஆகுது. So without the multiplication of chromosome அப்படியே அது arms of chromosome எப்படி எக்ஸ்சேஞ்ச் ஆச்சோ அப்படி பேர்டாவே என்ன செய்யுது move towards the opposite pole. So during this stage chromosomes are visible. So the paired chromosomes are called bivalent. Each bivalent now homotypic division. Two haploid cells formed during first meiotic division divided into 4 haploid cells. Daughter cells are similar to parent cell in the chromosome number. 5 stages 5. Prophase 2, metaphase 2, anaphase 2, telophase 2, cytokinesis 2. Prophase 2. Centrioles divides into 2. Each one moves towards the opposite pole. As aster and spindle fibers appear, nuclear membrane and nucleolus disappear. Nuclear membrane, nucleolus எல்லாமே disappear ஆகுது. Interchanged arms of the chromosome ஓட அப்படியே இருக்கு பாருங்க. இருக்கா? So that is synapsis முடிஞ்சு packaging stageல chiasma crossing over and terminalization முடிஞ்சு இப்போ அதுல cell division ஆனது இப்போ prophase 2. Metaphase 2. So in this stage the changed arms interchanged chromosome order they are joined with the centriole and they are arranged in the middle equatorial plane. That stage is called metaphase 2. The separated chromosomes becomes daughter chromosome and move towards the opposite poles. Meiosis. The term was coined by Farmer in year 1905. It's a kind of cell division which was occur in the sex cells alone. So the male sex organ and in the female sex organ, this type of cell division was carried on. It is also called as reduction division. So during this stage, chromosomes are visible. So the paired chromosomes are significance of meiosis. Constant number of chromosomes in a given species is maintained by meiotic division. Genetic variation is produced due to crossing over கிராசிங் ஓவர்னா ஆர்ம்ஸ் ஆஃப் த எக்ஸ்சேஞ்ச் குரோமோசோம் எக்ஸ்சேஞ்ச் ஆனதுனால ஜெனட்டிக் இன்ஃபர்மேஷனும் எக்ஸ்சேஞ்ச் ஆகுது. அந்த எக்ஸ்சேஞ்ச் ஆனது தான் திருப்பி செக்ஸ் செல்ல எக்ஸ்சேஞ்ச் ஆன குரோமோசோமோட செல் டிவிஷன் நடக்கிறதுனால இட் வாஸ் டிரான்ஸ்மிட்டட் டு தி நெக்ஸ்ட் ஜெனரேஷன். Now differences between mitosis and meiosis. Somatic cell, body cell la nadakudhu, reproductive cells la nadakudhu. Involved in growth, involved in gamete formation, consist of single division, consist of two division. Two diploid daughter cells are formed. Inge vandu 4 haploid daughter cells. The chromosome number in the daughter cell is similar to the parent cell. The chromosome number in the daughter cell is just half of the parent cell. Identical daughter cells are formed. Daughter cells are not similar to the parent cells and are randomly assorted. So, mitosis cell division க்கு இதுக்கு உள்ள வித்தியாசத்தை பார்த்துக்கோங்க. ஸோ இங்கே மைட்டாசிஸில் 2 டாட்டர் செல்ஸ் கிடைக்குது. இது வந்து 2 டைம் ஃபஸ்ட்டு 2 டாட்டர் செல்ஸ் அது திருப்பி வந்து செகண்ட் செல் டிவிஷனுக்கு போகிறதுனால 4 டாட்டர் செல்ஸ் வித் ஹாப்ளாய்ட் செல்.